Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, it's snowing. We haven't had snow since like mid-February. Quickly accumulating, it's about 5:30 in the morning. Temperature is about 35 degrees. Winds are calm. Temperature is going to continue to decrease. Winds are going to continue to increase as we progress into the storm. Alright, we got a good coating on the ground right now. This is nice. Sounds nice too. It's been falling this steadily for the past hour and a half. So hopefully when the heavier snow bands move in, we'll get those accumulations up. Alright, so I'm going to go fly my drone just to see what the snow looks like from above. Alright, look at this. It's been about 2 hours since I last recorded something. That's actually because the snow let up a bit. Now it's coming back. This is the heaviest I've seen it all morning. In fact, it let up so much I decided to go to the gym. So I just got done my workout. It's quickly accumulating on everything. It's been doing this for the past 15 minutes. Look at this. This is awesome. I'm covered in snow. Got some moderate snow moving in. Some winds too, look at that. I made a few friends, a few geese friends, and whatever that thing is, it's flying. Terrible. No matter how many times you tell people don't go on the roads in the winter storm, they'll still do it. I guess they realized they didn't put down enough salt earlier. I didn't film a proper outro to this video, but basically the storm is tampered off. We got left with an inch of snow, which is alright, I guess. We have a good chance of getting snow this Friday, so, you know, we'll just see what happens. But thank you so much for watching. I'll have more videos out soon.